So now we're going to apply the extended term non-forfeiture option to a canceled whole life policy. And by doing that, we're going to use an example. So we have Jason got a non-tobacco rate and started a $200,000 whole life policy at age 45. At age 60, he decides to use the $13,278 cash value for paid up 10-year term insurance for the same face value. How many years of paid up insurance will he have? So we need to find the amount of years. So the first thing you're going to do is find the annual premium. And what you do is use important information, first of all. And what you need is because he's 60 now. So we're going by his age now and what policy he's using now. So he's 60. We know he's a male. And he was non-tobacco, male. And then he did a 10-year term. He started off at whole life, but he's 10-year term now. So we're using the second policy. And then he also has a face value of $200,000. And his cash value right here is $13,278. Very important stuff. So first we find the annual premium. And when you look on your chart, when you look at 19.1, when you look in this chart up top, 19.1, you're going to see that for a 10-year level term, male who is 60, non-tobacco smoking, the rate for that will be 9.07. Now, we need the face value of the policy. So this is your face value. So we're taking, to find the annual premium, we're going to take the face value, which is 200,000, divide that by 1,000, and then multiply it by the rate. Okay? Multiply by that rate. And once you do all that, you will end up with $1,814. So that's how much the annual premium will be. Now, so that was step one. That's the annual premium. Now, step two. What you're going to do next after that is you're going to find the years paid up. Insurance. So years paid up term insurance. And the way you calculate that is you take the cash value and you divide that by the annual premium. And your cash value is $13,278, and you're dividing that by your annual premium of $1,814. Okay? And then once you do that, you'll end up with 7.32 years. So just going to run back through it. In order to find out how many years of paid up insurance he'll have, you have to first calculate the annual premium, which is by taking the face value of the policy, dividing it by 1,000, and multiplying by the rate that you find on 19.1. And that came out to 1,814. And then from there, for step two, you take, to find the years paid up term insurance, you take the cash value, which is that $13,278, and you divide it by the annual premium. Once you do all that, you'll get your answer, which is 7.32 years. And that's how you calculate the non-forfeiture option to a canceled whole life policy.